Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's recipe is kachori. So let's get started. So the first ingredient that we're gonna use is all-purpose flour. So we're taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt as per taste, and around 2-3 tablespoons of oil. Now you have to start mixing it so it makes breadcrumb like texture. So when you press the mixture, it should not break like this. Now add half cup of water into this. And start kneading it to make a dough. Now keep it aside until we make the stuffing. Now heat a pan and add a tablespoon of fennel seeds, a tablespoon of coriander, a tablespoon of cumin, and dry roast it for a minute. Now transfer it to a mixer jar and blend it into a coarse texture. Now transfer this mixture to a container and take 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 green chilies and a piece of ginger and blend it together. Once the paste is ready, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add ginger chili garlic paste and fry it for some time. Now add mustard seeds and rest of the spices like garam masala, the coriander cumin powder that we have made, and chaat masala as well. Also add a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Saute it for a few seconds and add a cup of gram flour. Now saute this mixture on a low flame for 5 minutes. Add salt per taste and mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and keep it covered and cook it for 2 minutes. Take the dough and knead it for some time and make balls out of it. Now stuff the balls using a mixture. Now flatten those balls using a rolling pin or your hands. Now deep fry the kachoris on a low to medium flame. We have to fry the kachori very slowly so that it will turn out crispier. So the kachori is ready to serve. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon.